Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I will be continuing with some more little DIY projects for my daughter's gallery wall. Again, we are doing like a horse theme nature, so a lot of these will have a horse theme going through them, but I mean they're easily adaptable to anything really. They're very simple, quick projects, so yeah, we'll just jump straight in with the first one. Okay, so for these first couple of projects, what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint these couple of canvases here, two like small little canvas panels and two little wooden panels. We're going to paint the background just in various acrylic paints. So I've got some bright colours because my daughter likes bright colours, so we'll start off with those. Lucky those didn't get cut off.